In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy tokens on the XRP Ledger. This is how to buy meme coins on XRP. So yes, XRP does have meme coins that you can trade, and they are doing very well recently, as you can see here, taking a look at just a few. So why might we want to buy memes on XRP? Well, my thesis is this. XRP has been around since the dawn of time. XRP is one of the oldest coins. Everybody knows about XRP. It's sitting at hundreds of billion. It's the top 4 cryptocurrency in the world, and the support behind XRP is absolutely insane. The XRP army is absolutely massive, and these guys will hold the coin until they die. These guys are the most die-hard people in crypto. Their coin literally did nothing, stayed at around 50 cents and below for 6 years. For 6 years, their coin did absolutely nothing. For 6 years, you had millions of XRP supporters holding the coin through this, whilst everything else went on crazy runs. This is 2021. Everything else did 10s, 20s, 50x's, whilst their coin literally did nothing. So these guys will hold through the thick and thin, and they are the most die-hard supporters in crypto. If you look on TikTok and you search XRP, the amount of videos, the amount of comments you will get from the XRP army is absolutely insane. XRPs are literally patriots, right? They love XRP and they will die by XRP and they swear by XRP. So that culture mixed with meme coins, I think could do very, very well, because ultimately meme coins need people to buy and hold and rally behind a coin and support it. And that's what these XRP holders do. So my thesis is with XRP meme coins, this isn't going to be like Solana where people are in and out trading these. These XRP supporters, all they know is to buy and hold. So you get them in the meme coins, and then their meme coin is shooting straight up. They are going to buy and hold that shit. So that is my thesis, and that's why I think memes on XRP are going to do very, very well, as we are seeing right here. Also, the opportunity's early. Literally nobody's talking about buying memes on XRP. Everyone's buying memes on Ethereum, everyone's buying memes on Solana, everyone's been buying memes on Base. Now it's Hyper EVM, but nobody is looking at XRP, and you want to get in before everybody else is looking at it. It had a mini wave back when XRP pumped all the way up to $3 back here, but now everyone's forgot about that, and everyone's gone back to the Solana casino. And now we've got Hyper EVM hype. So how do we bridge over to XRP Ledger to buy XRP meme coins? So firstly, you're going to need some Ethereum in your wallet. Now, you want to come on over to any exchange where you can buy XRP. You can use Coinbase if you use that. You can use Binance. You can use Kraken. You can use anything. I like to use MEXC because there's no KYC. So you can sign up very easily with just your email. And then what you're going to need to do is click deposit. Then click on-chain deposit. Once you've done that, you can select USDT or you can select Ethereum, ETH or USDT, it doesn't really matter. Next, send in the ETH or USDT to this address given. Make sure it's on Ethereum network. Then once you've deposited, you can see down here once your deposit is successful. And next, search for XRP. Make sure you click on spot. And if you deposited USDT, click on this one. If you deposited ETH, click on this one. Next, you'll see your available balance. Just drag the slider, or you can type in the amount you want to buy here. Once you've done that, click over to your wallets and click on spot. Here you will see your purchased XRP. You can see I've bought $1,000 worth of XRP. So let's click withdraw. And now you're going to need to withdraw your XRP to an address. In the pinned comment of this video, in the description and the pinned comment of this video, I will leave a link to the best XRP sniper bot so that you can very easily snipe meme coins on XRP. So I will leave a link to this down in the description below. What you want to do once you've set that up is copy and paste your wallet address here. Paste in the address. Make sure this is on XRP Ripple. Make sure to check this box because we don't have this, we don't need that. And then select all and then submit. Then you want to click get code and click submit. We can then close out of this, and in just a few minutes this will be processed. That should be done after just a couple minutes. Sometimes it will still say pending processing, but if you click details it will actually be done. And then you can just check by coming into your wallet, clicking on wallets, and then you will see your balance there. So literally should be done after 1 or 2 minutes. Now that we have XRP in our XRP sniper bot, we can begin trading XRP meme coins. So let's say, for example, we want to buy some fuzzy. But firstly, how do we find meme coins on XRP? So there's 2 ways we can do this. We can head over to DexScreener/XRPL, that's XRP Ledger. And here we will see all of the coins on XRP. You can find this on the DexScreener homepage by scrolling down here and finding XRPL. Here you will see all of the trending meme coins on XRP. But another way that we can do this is by using firstledger.net and then clicking on tokens. And here we can sort them by date created. And you can see these are all of the brand new tokens on XRP Ledger. You can see this one was made just 2 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago, and so on. So these are all of the new ones, and you can just check through them. Some of them will have social links and you can review them. Now, once you found a token you like, let's say you want to buy fuzzy token, simply copy the contract address, go over to your Telegram sniper bot, paste in the address, and here you'll be able to buy the token. So you can select a preset here. Maybe you want to buy with 50 or 100 XRP, or you can buy a custom amount, and you could say, let's say you want to buy 150 XRP worth of fuzzy. Enter in, that'll then swap for you, and you can see that we now have swapped 150 XRP for 2.8 million fuzzy tokens. We can then type /positions, and here we can see our remaining XRP balance. Our current positions, we've got 150 XRP, which is worth $320 in fuzzy token. You can see the current market cap, our average entry, our balance of fuzzy token, and our current P&L. So then if we wanted to buy more, we can do that here, or we can also click on sell, and we can sell a percentage of our tokens here. So that is how you buy and sell meme coins on the XRP Ledger. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please consider leaving a like rating, comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe if you'd like to see more crypto content like this.